How to install your Charles and Ivy pedestrian gate. The tools you will need to install the gate will be an electric screwdriver and drill, a 19 and 24mm spanner or adjustable spanner, a 2mm drill bit and a spirit level. After receiving delivery of your bespoke Charles and Ivy gate, measure the space to ensure the gate will fit. There is a 3cm tolerance which can be adjusted to suit. The surface we are fixing to today in this video is our Charles and Ivy aluminium posts, but the fixings will vary depending on the surface you are fixing to. You will receive a top and bottom hinge which are identical. Before fixing, attach the hinge nut and bolt centrally. Affix bottom hinge as required, depending on how much space you want between the gate and the floor. Then measure the gate height plus 80mm between the two hinges. Affix top hinge. Place gate on bottom hinge. And secure centrally with hinge nut and a bolt on top. Separate receiving profiles. Offer receiving plate up level with the gate height and fix in place as required. The cover plate then simply clicks back into place. Now it's time for the gate furniture. You will receive a Euro cylinder and 2 keys for both sides. You'll also receive a locking chamber and striking plate. Insert the locking chamber, pilot and screw into place. Insert Euro cylinder. You may find when doing this it will help to loosen the screws on the locking chamber as shown. Tighten the chamber back up and use supplied screws to fix your cylinder into place. Insert handles. Lift and twist the cover plate to reveal the fixing holes. Pilot and fix into place. Repeat on the other side. Lock cover plate simply clips apart. Pilot and fix into place. Repeat on the reverse side. cover plate simply clips back on. Check all moving parts are moving freely. Offer striking plate into position, pilot and fix with the screws supplied. This will also hold receiving profile in position. Adjust gate as required by loosening and tightening the hinge bolts. Check gate locks as required. Attach hinge cover plates. Finally stand back and admire your brand new Charles & Ivy gate. For further installation information or additional help, please contact us on info@charlesandivy.co.uk.